So starting with the name of Allah, once again welcome you all on my YouTube channel. So let's start most important topic, that is parallelism of sentence. Parallelism of sentence, that is also part of error detection. That sentences are also always given in a structure, as we have to make them parallel. So what is the meaning of parallelism of sentence? What is the meaning of parallelism? Parallelism means equal balance or equal weightage. Okay, we maintain equal balance between different items, different things. Here in a sentence, it also refers that we have to maintain equal balance between different items in a sentence. If different items are given in a sentence, we have to follow the rule of balance. We have to make them balance. So let's see what parallelism is when two or more items, when different items. For example, we have two nouns connected by conjunctions. We have to put them in a same case. For example, we have noun, we have to put noun. If there is an adjective, we have to put an adjective. If there is an adverb, we have to put an adverb. If that adjective is in comparative form, we have to also use in comparative form. So let's see, inshallah we will see when two or more items, different items are connected by and in a list using the same structure. We have to follow the same structure and the form, the form, it is a parallel structure that will be parallel. That form will be parallel. We have to maintain a balance. We have to balance a sentence. Equal weightage or okay. So it means that we have to follow the same rules if we have different items. For example, he is wiser and more intelligent than Ali. Wiser and intelligent. For example, he is wiser and intelligent than Ali. Wiser is in comparative form and intelligent is in positive form. Okay, we have compared. There is a comparison. If we have used wiser, we have to also use more intelligent, because we have to follow the equal weightage. The structure will be different if we will say wiser and plus intelligent. Wiser is in comparative form and intelligent is in positive form. So the right sentence will be, he is wiser and more intelligent than Ali. Okay, wiser and more intelligent. These both are in comparative form. So let's see important things to understand about a parallel structure. I hope you have understood the parallelism of sentence. So important things that we have to follow in a sentence. Number first, list of items. First, see the list of items. As I have said that he is wiser and more intelligent. Wiser and more intelligent. These are what? List of items. We have to take care while using them. If that is in comparative form, we have to use comparative form. If there is superlative form, we have to use superlative form. So number first, list of items. I will tell you that how list of items are used. Number second, conjunctions that add these items. These items are connected by conjunctions or commas. We mostly use or, then, and. These conjunctions are used mostly. But we will see inshallah that which types of conjunction are used in parallelism of sentence. Number third, indicator or anchor. There is always a word that indicates. Okay, that tells that there might be a list of items in a sentence. What is the work of indicator? It always tells there is a list of different items. We have to take care of these three things: list of items, conjunctions, and indicators or anchors. Same name, two names of same word, indicator or anchor. So let's see how list of items are used. For example, I love playing with kids. Playing with kids, spending time with myself, spending time with myself, and mediate. Sorry, and to mediate. To mediate in the morning. So these words, playing with kids, different things. Playing with kids, what I love playing with kids, spending time with myself. Second item. Number third is to mediate in the morning. So these are different items connected by comma. We have used comma here. We have used and, conjunction. So we have to take care of these items while using such items. You know, these are different items. This is one of different, this is different, this is different. Okay, these are list of items. Okay, number second, that we have used conjunction. Here we have used conjunction. While using and, we use same structure. We use same structure. For example, here is playing, that is in gerund form, spending, that is in gerund form, and to mediate, that is in infinitive form. Look, that this is in gerund form, but this one is in infinitive form. When we use and, we try to follow the same structure. But here structure is stand, to mediate, that is in infinitive form. That is in infinitive form. Okay, that is in gerund form. Gerund means, what is the meaning of gerund? That is used in the form of ing, such as spanning, such as plan. So we have used ing form, that is also in gerund form. Gerund, that is in infinitive form. Okay, so conjunction that are used, we have to take care of conjunctions. Which conjunction is used here? Number third, indicator. What indicator is? Now the word love, I love, that word love indicates different items. The first item is this, second is this, and number third is this. Okay, so that indicator, we have to take care that what indicator indicates, what it wants to tell. So this one is gerund form, this one is gerund form, that is in infinitive form. Okay, these three things, we have to take care of these three things: list of items, conjunctions, and indicators or anchors. Okay, I hope you understood all. So what we have to do now, we have to make the same structure. We have to make the same structure. Which kind of structure? Structure of items. Which are items? This one is item, this one is item, and this one is item. Okay, so let's see how they are beginning. I love playing with kids. Playing, that is in form, means gerund form. Number second item is also starting with spelling, means ing form. Ing form is gerund form. Same structure, ing form. Same structure, ing form. And number third one item, to mediate, it is starting with to. To mediate shows infinitive form. Infinitive form. Here that is starting with ing form, but here we have started with to. We shouldn't use to mediate because we have to, for making a balance between them, between these items, so we have to use ing form. And this one is wrong. To mediate. The right one will be mediating. The right one is mediating. Now this structure is correct. So in your exam, it always occurs that find the error. Okay, find the error. Now this one is error because there is ing form. This one is infinitive form. The third one, that is connected by conjunction, we have to follow the same structure. So the right one will be mediating, not to mediate, because this is in the form of infinitive. That will be considered wrong. Okay. So I hope you have understood first sentence. The right sentence will be, I love playing with kids, spending with myself, and let me write clearly that, and mediating. In spite of, in the place of to mediate, we have to use mediating. Okay, that one is right. Number second sentence. Our teacher told everyone to perform. What? Told everyone. This told everyone. This is what? This is indicator. Told is indicator or anchor. Okay. Told everyone to perform. To perform what? To perform smartly. To perform smartly. To perform smartly. This is the item. Passionately, item, and with aggression. The difference is smartly is in adverb, because these are items. Smartly, item, passionately, that is item also in the form of adverb with aggression. With aggression. With aggression. What is aggression? Aggression is noun. What? That is noun. We have used smartly adverb, passionately adverb, but aggression is noun. That makes difference between the items. So what is parallelism? Parallelism, that is a balance sheet, a balance things that we have to make it with aggression not, but the right one will be aggressively. The right one will be aggressively. That aggressively is adverb. What? That is adverb. So we are the right one with the aggression. Aggression is noun. That is adverb. That is adverb. The first one is adverb. The second one is adverb. The third one is noun. So the equal weightage will be adverb, adverb plus adverb. Okay. The right one will be with aggressively. The right one will be aggressively. And aggressively. We use and in the last. And aggressively. That is the right one. Okay. So let's see that which types of conjunctions are used in parallelism of sentence. These are conjunctions. Which kinds of conjunctions are used in the parallelism of sentence? So parallel ideas are connected by conjunction. So these parallelism ideas means items. Ideas means items, different items are connected by conjunctions. So let's see which kinds of conjunctions, which types of conjunctions are used in parallelism of sentence. We have three types of conjunctions that are used in parallelism of sentence. Number one, type 1, like ideas. We have some like ideas. Like ideas are always joined by these conjunctions and, but, are, not, so, yet. These conjunctions are used for like ideas. For example, she failed essay, passed the final exam. We have two items. Number first, failed essay. Number second, passed the final exam. That is connected by but. These like ideas are connected by conjunctions, such conjunctions. How it will be wrong sentence, she failed essay but passed. That pass is that is present participle. Here we have used past participle. It means second form of verb. She failed essay. That is past. That is past tense. That is past. If it were past, that will be considered wrong. Now the past, the final exam is correct sentence. Okay, such conjunctions are used to connect like ideas. Number type 2 conjunctions, comparisons. When we compare different items, for example, learning at university is more than study at high school. So let me tell you that we have comparison between university and high school. Comparison of different things means comparison of learning at different schools, at different institutions. So learning at university is more difficult than we have used then. Comparison joined by then or is. We use these conjunctions, than or is. He is as good as his brother is. Means we have used is to connect the compare himself, comparison between him and his brother. There is comparison. Okay, so now is this right sentence or wrong? So let's see. The first item is learning at university. Learning at university. Okay, learning at university is an item that is started with ing form. Which form? Ing means gerund form. More difficult. What is more difficult than study? That is in present form. Not in ing form, not in gerund form. So we have to remove this and we have to write studying. We have to use ing form because we are following parallelism of sentence. We have to make ideas of equal weightage. So studying will follow equal weightage. Here is ing form, here is present form. If we will use present form, the weightage will be different. The balance will be different. The right one will be studying, not studying. Okay, so this study is wrong. Okay, type number 3. Ideas are joined by pair of conjunction. We also use pair of conjunctions in order to join the ideas, in order to maintain the list of items. So type 3, this is the type 3. We have discussed type 1 and type 2. Type 3, ideas joined by pair of conjunction. Which kinds of pair of conjunctions? Both and both, 1, 2. That is pair. Either or, not only, but also, or neither nor. Such kinds of conjunctions are used. So let's see the sentence. Both the lecturers and students. Both we have used both the lecturers and students protest about the changes in assessment policy. We have used what? Both and. Both and. This is a pair of conjunction which is used in parallelism of sentence. We have to make it in equal weightage. So that's why the pair of conjunctions is used. Both and. These are pair of conjunction that we use in parallelism of sentence. Inshallah, in our second part of lecture, so this is first part of our lecture number 1 and lecture number 2. Don't forget to see the lecture number 2 and we will discuss how different adverbs are used, how nouns are used, how we have to maintain the equal weightage of noun plus noun, pronoun plus pronoun, adverb plus adverb, adjective plus adjective, comparative form plus comparative form, not superlative or not positive form. So thank you for watching this video. Hope for the best. Inshallah we will meet again.